Coffee and Contracts is one of those tools you'll either love or be on the fence about. But before you buy, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know. If you're searching for a simple way to manage contracts, especially in the freelance world, this software might be for you. But is it the best option for you? Stick around until the end to find out, and I'll give you an exclusive way to try it for free. First, let's talk about the user interface. Coffee and Contracts has a sleek, intuitive dashboard that's incredibly easy to navigate. If you've ever struggled with clunky contract management systems or systems with a steep learning curve, this is a breath of fresh air. The layout feels like it was designed for freelancers, small business owners, and anyone looking to streamline their workflows. But don't get too comfortable just yet. The software does have limitations when compared to others in its class. While its simplicity is an advantage, more advanced users might find some features lacking. Next thing, let's talk about templates. Coffee and Contracts provides a solid library of customizable contract templates. These templates are tailored for specific industries, which can save a lot of time when you're drafting contracts for clients. But here's the thing, while they do offer a good range, it's still not as extensive as what you'd get from competitors like HelloSign or PandaDoc, which provide more customization options for different business needs. So if you're looking for something super specific, be aware that you may need to tweak templates more than you'd like. The third thing to consider is its e-signature functionality. The software allows you to send contracts for signatures directly from the platform, and it's legally binding. The best part is that the process is quick, with minimal steps involved. If you've been using paper contracts or juggling multiple platforms, this is a huge upgrade. But it's important to note that while Coffee and Contracts does the job, other tools like DocuSign have slightly more advanced e-signature options and features, particularly when it comes to advanced authentication. Now, let's move on to integrations. Coffee and Contracts integrates with popular tools like Google Drive, Stripe, and QuickBooks. This is crucial because it helps you keep everything in one place and ensures smooth workflows without jumping between different apps. However, compared to more robust platforms like PandaDoc or HelloSign, Coffee and Contracts integration options are somewhat limited. If you're looking for something with extensive CRM or project management tool integrations, you may want to explore other software. The fifth thing to consider is pricing. Coffee and Contracts offers an affordable pricing structure, especially for freelancers and small businesses. However, be mindful that some of its competitors, like Bonsai, offer similar features but may provide more value at a slightly higher cost. So, while Coffee and Contracts is relatively inexpensive, the value you get for the price depends on your business's specific needs. Next, we have customer support. Coffee and Contracts provides good customer support, but it's not as fast or as comprehensive as what you'd get from major competitors. You'll get help via email and a comprehensive knowledge base, but you won't find 24/7 live chat or phone support like you would with other services. If you rely on around-the-clock customer service, this could be a deal breaker. But if you're a self-sufficient user, the resources are solid. Lastly, let's talk about its mobile capabilities. The Coffee and Contracts app allows you to manage your contracts on the go, which is a huge plus for freelancers and business owners constantly moving. However, the mobile version is a bit behind compared to the desktop version. It's functional, but lacks some of the finer details found on the desktop interface. If you're often on the move and rely heavily on mobile access, this might not be ideal. So, before you make the leap, remember that Coffee and Contracts is a great option for those who need simplicity, easy contract creation, and e-signatures. But if you need advanced features or more integrations, you may want to explore alternatives. To really see if it works for you, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for Coffee and Contracts and some exclusive benefits.